Hey, it's Keisha, Textera, and we are shuffling our cards, and these all jumped out right away, so we'll just take them as they came. Well, look. So I'm sitting here looking at these down here, and you're seeing them at the top of the screen. What can I tell you? The Lord provides. You're going to have everything you need, but it's not going to look like what you thought. Hard to tell in that Six of Pentacles if we are the giver or the receiver, but really it doesn't even matter because everything's in balance. And it's not better to be one or the other. Sometimes, you know, life presents us with the opportunity and we are both, and there is nothing to be ashamed of in that. Like, I think what the common refrain is, it's better to give than to receive. But the reality is, unless there is someone to receive, you don't get the luxury or the gift of giving. And so it takes both for it to be in harmony. And I think the thing to focus on here is the harmony. So not really important whether you're the giver or the receiver, but that you are in harmony, in that your needs are being provided for. You have access to the resources that you need, and you're willing to deploy them as they are needed. So I think that resolves us on the Six of Pentacles. The Tower is, as the Tower always is, right? It's, you know, the structures that we've built ourselves or our identity on have been, you know, some divine event has come in and upset that balance, causing us to lose our minds. But the opportunity in that is that we get to build anew and to, you know, reassess where we've been, what we've been thinking. And that brings us actually to the Six of Swords, where we seem to be, you know, taken, either we're the ones taken on the journey or we're the ones got stewarding another along the journey. Either way, it's calm and we have protection and we have a clear direction as to where we're going. So that's solid as well. And, you know, I look at these cards all the time, but each time I notice something new, what I'm noticing today in the Six of Swords is how the water from the right side of the boat coming in is all active. And that makes sense because the right side is active, but it's coming up against the boat. And on the other side of that, it's totally calm, and it's calm for the expanse of what we can see. So that's really an indication that whatever we might be, chaos or turmoil that we might be hit with, we're still on the path to where we're going, and that path is still smooth, and calm and quiet. And again, you know, if we are, you know, the quote mother and son figure sitting in the boat, well, we're covered. One, we've got protection in terms of the swords sitting before us, and we have a strong, steady steward behind us, navigating us to a safer shore. That's certainly a positive position to begin. If we are the steward, we're easily watching over our charges. We're easily navigating to our next place, and we have all the resources about us that we need in order for that to be successful. So that too is quite positive. So yeah, I think it seems to be a note of, oh right, today is the full moon in Aries, isn't it? Yeah, so just stay focused on your end goal. Be in community with those around you. Give where it's appropriate to give. Receive where there's an opportunity. And know that the divine is at work, as we see in the tower, and that all things are in order. So that's quite a lovely message to take with us today. Keep calm and carry on. All right, good people. We'll see you back for another reading another time. Bye.